Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how to create your own equalizer preset. At first we have to tap on sound effects and now we have to scroll down when we see custom EQ. We have to select this one and click on this arrow. Here we can create our preset by modifying our equalizer and hitting on this button. If you want to reset our custom EQ to the defaults, we have to tap on this button at the top. Here, as you can see, are you sure you want to reset to the default sound profile? We have to hit yes, and that's it. If you want to create another custom EQ profile, we have to hit this plus, rename, and as you can see, we have two custom equalizers. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.